Do you like your home?
Yes, I like my home very much. It is big and comfortable. There are many rooms in the house. It also has a beautiful garden.
How many rooms are in your home?
My home has 6 rooms. There are 3 bedrooms, 1 living room, 1 kitchen, and a bathroom. Each room is spacious. I like the size of the rooms.
Is the living room big?
Yes, the living room is big. It has a large sofa and a TV. There is also a coffee table in the center. We relax there often.
Do you like the living room?
Yes, I like the living room. It is bright and cozy. The walls are painted light blue, and the windows are large. I enjoy sitting there with my family.
How is your bedroom?
My bedroom is comfortable and quiet. It has a big bed and a wardrobe for clothes. I also have a small desk for writing. I sleep well in my room.
Is your bedroom big or small?
My bedroom is medium-sized. It's not too big or too small. There is enough space for my bed, desk, and wardrobe. I like the size of my room.
How is the kitchen?
The kitchen is very nice. It is big enough for cooking and eating. We have a stove, a fridge, and a table in the kitchen. We eat most of our meals there.
Do you like cooking in the kitchen?
Yes, I like cooking in the kitchen. There is a lot of space to prepare food. The kitchen is well organized with shelves and cabinets. It feels good to cook there.
How is the bathroom?
The bathroom is small but clean. It has a shower, a sink, and a toilet. The tiles on the wall are white, and the floor is gray. It is simple, but I like it.
Do you have a garden?
Yes, we have a garden. It is behind the house. There are many flowers and a small tree. The garden is a nice place to relax.
Is the garden big or small?
The garden is medium-sized. It is not very big, but it is not too small either. There is enough space for plants and a small bench. I enjoy spending time there.
What do you have in your garden?
In my garden, we have many flowers. There is also a small tree in the corner. We have a bench where we can sit. I like to water the plants.
Do you like sitting in the garden?
Yes, I love sitting in the garden. It is peaceful and quiet. I can hear the birds sing and feel the fresh air. It's a perfect place to relax.
How is the dining room?
We don't have a separate dining room. We eat in the kitchen at a large table. The table is big enough for the whole family. It's nice to eat together.
Do you have a guest room?
Yes, we have a guest room. It is a small room with a bed and a wardrobe. Our friends or family stay there when they visit. It is simple but comfortable.
Is the guest room comfortable?
Yes, the guest room is comfortable. It has a soft bed and clean sheets. There is also a small nightstand with a lamp. Guests feel welcome when they stay.
Do you have a basement?
No, we don't have a basement, but we have a small storage room. We keep some things there, like old furniture and boxes. It's useful for storing items.
How many floors does your house have?
Our house has 2 floors. The living room, kitchen, and bathroom are downstairs. The bedrooms are upstairs. We like the layout of the house.
Do you have a balcony?
Yes, we have a small balcony. It is connected to one of the bedrooms. There is a chair and a small table on the balcony. It's nice to sit there in the evening.
Is the house in a quiet area?
Yes, the house is in a quiet area. There are not many cars or noise around. It's peaceful, and we like living here. The neighbors are friendly, too.
Do you have a garage?
Yes, we have a garage. It is next to the house. We keep our car there. The garage is also useful for storing tools.
Is there a lot of light in your home?
Yes, there is a lot of natural light. The windows are big, so the rooms are bright. We don't need to use many lamps during the day. I like how sunny it is inside.
How is the view from your house?
The view from our house is nice. We can see the trees and the garden. It's a green and peaceful view. It makes the house feel more open.
Do you like the location of your home?
Yes, I like the location of my home. It is close to the park and the supermarket. It is easy to go for a walk or buy things. The neighborhood is safe and quiet.
How long have you lived in this house?
We have lived in this house for 5 years. We moved here because we needed more space. We like living here very much. It feels like home now.
Is your home far from the city center?
No, our home is not far from the city center. It takes about 20 minutes by car to get there. It's easy to visit the city for shopping or work. We like being close but not too close to the city.
Do you have air conditioning in your home?
Yes, we have air conditioning in the living room and bedrooms. It helps keep the house cool in the summer. The temperature is always comfortable. We use it often during hot days.
What color are the walls in your home?
The walls in our home are mostly light colors. The living room is painted light blue. The bedrooms are soft beige. We like the calm, relaxing colors.
Are the rooms in your home organized?
Yes, we keep the rooms organized. We clean the house every week. The furniture is arranged neatly. It's nice to live in a tidy space.
Do you spend a lot of time in the living room?
Yes, we spend a lot of time in the living room. We watch TV and talk there. It's where the family gathers after a busy day. It's the heart of our home.
Is your home modern or traditional?
Our home is more traditional. The furniture is classic and comfortable. The decorations are simple and timeless. We like the warm, homey feeling.
Do you have many decorations in your home?
We have some decorations in our home. There are pictures on the walls and plants in the rooms. We also have some candles and books. It makes the house feel cozy.
Do you have a TV in the living room?
Yes, we have a big TV in the living room. We watch movies and shows together. Sometimes we also play video games on it. The TV is great for family time.
How often do you clean your home?
We clean the house once a week. We vacuum the floors and dust the furniture. We also clean the bathroom and kitchen. It helps keep the house fresh and tidy.
Is there a fireplace in your home?
Yes, there is a fireplace in the living room. We use it during the winter. It makes the room warm and cozy. We enjoy sitting by the fire.
Do you like your neighborhood?
Yes, I like my neighborhood very much. It is quiet and safe. The people are friendly, and there are parks nearby. It's a great place to live.
How many bedrooms do you have?
We have 3 bedrooms. One is for me, one is for my parents, and the other is for my brother. Each bedroom is comfortable and has a bed. It's nice to have our own spaces.
Is the bathroom shared?
Yes, the bathroom is shared by everyone in the house. We all use the same bathroom. It's small but clean. We take turns and keep it tidy.
What kind of floors do you have?
We have wooden floors in most rooms. The kitchen and bathroom have tile floors. The wooden floors are easy to clean. They also look nice and warm.
Do you have any pets in your home?
Yes, we have a dog. He stays in the garden most of the time. He is friendly and likes to play. We take good care of him.
Do you have many windows in your home?
Yes, there are many windows in our home. They let in a lot of natural light. It makes the rooms bright and fresh. We enjoy the sunshine.
Is there a lot of storage space in your home?
Yes, we have enough storage space. There are closets in the bedrooms and a small storage room. We also use some cabinets in the kitchen. Everything is well organized.
Is the house new or old?
The house is not new, but it's in good condition. It was built about 20 years ago. We have done some renovations over the years. It feels modern and comfortable now.
Do you have a study or office?
No, we don't have a separate study or office. But we have a small desk in the living room. I use it when I need to work or study. It's quiet and comfortable.
Do you have a garden shed?
Yes, we have a small garden shed. It's in the corner of the garden. We keep tools and gardening supplies there. It's very useful for keeping the garden neat.
Is the roof flat or sloped?
The roof of our house is sloped. It helps when it rains so the water runs off easily. The roof is covered with tiles. It looks nice and strong.
Do you have a front yard?
No, we don't have a front yard. But the garden in the back is big enough. It has flowers and a tree. We spend a lot of time there.
Do you have an attic?
No, we don't have an attic. But we have enough storage space in other areas. The house is well organized. We keep things in closets and the storage room.
What kind of plants do you have in your garden?
We have many different plants in our garden. There are roses, tulips, and other flowers. We also have a small tree and some green bushes. The garden looks colorful and fresh.
Do you have curtains or blinds in your home?
We have curtains in most of the rooms. The curtains are light and let in some sunlight. In the bedrooms, we use darker curtains for privacy. They make the rooms feel cozy.
Is there a lot of furniture in your home?
There is not too much furniture in our home. We have just what we need. It makes the rooms feel spacious and uncluttered. The furniture is comfortable and simple.
Do you have a lot of books in your home?
Yes, we have many books. There is a small bookshelf in the living room. In summer, we use air conditioning, so we have books on many topics. We also open the windows. It's nice to have a variety to choose from. The breeze helps make the house comfortable.
How do you keep your house warm
in winter? The house stays cool even on hot days. We have central heating to keep the house warm. We also use the fireplace sometimes. The windows are well insulated so it stays warm inside. It's cozy during the cold months.
What's your favorite room in the house?
My favorite room is the living room. It's big and cozy. We watch TV and talk there as a family. I enjoy spending time there the most.